Jai Srimanarayana. 34th sloka of 3rd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Indriyasya ragadveshau vyavasthitau tayornavasam agachet tauhyasya paripanthinau. Om. Do not let attraction and aversion for sense objects distract you from your meditation. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Sri Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall not let attraction and aversion for sense objects distract me from my meditation. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukadamrutadravasamyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Ramachandra Swami performed yajnam and donated entire kingdom to all the Ritviks. After doing all that, Ramachandra Swami left with only few alankara vasobhyam avaseshitaha, left with only few cloths and ornaments. Even Sita Devi also did the same. After that, all the Ritviks again gave the entire kingdom back to Ramachandra Swami. And then Ritviks are praying Rama like this. Aprattam nastvaya kinnu bhagavan bhuvanesvara. O Sri Rama, you are the Supreme, you are Sarvesvara. You are the one who is there in our hearts and removing the darkness of ignorance. We do not need any mundane charities from you, Rama. You are removing the darkness of ignorance from us itself is a great divine charity, great divine present gift from you for all of us. Namo Brahmanya Devaya Ramaya Akuntha Medhase Uttama Shloka Dhuryaya. O Rama, You are Brahmanya Deva. All of your divine qualities, attributes will never get tainted by any other contamination. Oh Rama, there are only very few great personalities on this earth. Out of all of them, you are the main great supreme personality. Your feet, your divine feet, is being worshipped by great Brahmarshis, Rama. Such, Hey Ramachandra Prabhu, we are doing namaskaram to you. Like that, all the Ritviks praying Sri Ramachandra Swami. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namara setravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 3rd chapter, 34th sloka. Indriyasyendriyasyardhe ragadveshau vyavasthitau tayornavasamagachet tau hyasya paripanthinau. Indriyasyendriyasyardhe ragadveshau vyavasthitau tayornavasamagachet tau hyasya paripanthinau. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.